Namaskar students. In the last class, you have done the practice of lesson 2. So, in this class, we will do the practice of lesson 3 of rapid typing. So, to open the lesson 3 of rapid typing, at first we will click on basics menu. Here when you will click on basics menu, that time in the basics option, you will get all the lessons. So from here you have to choose lesson 3. When you will click on lesson 3, here you will get the letters G, H, T, Y. And to type these letters, what you have to do? Here in the last class we have done the practice of all those alphabets which are on in the middle row of alphabets. So here the alphabet T, Y are on the upper row of alphabet. So here to type these alphabets, what you have to do? We will do the practice of all those things. So let's begin. To type these alphabets, what you have to do? At first, just set your fingers on particular alphabets, then start typing. At first, your left hand finger must be on F and right hand index finger must be on J. Now, to type G, you have to press the left hand index finger. So, just click on left hand index finger to type G, then with the help of thumb just give the space, then to type H you have to use the right hand index finger. So just press H with the help of right hand index finger, then give the space with the help of thumb. Now to type T, what you have to do? You have to use the left hand index finger again. So you have to just jump your left hand index finger to type T. Now you have to give the space with the help of thumb. Now to type Y, you have to use the right hand index finger. So again your right hand index finger will jump to type Y. Now give the space with the help of space bar key and you will press the space bar key with the help of thumb. Now again press G with the help of left hand index finger, then give the space with the help of thumb, then H with the help of right hand index finger, then space T with the help of left hand index finger, then space, then Y with the help of right hand index finger, and similarly you have to type all the alphabets one by one. Now after typing all the alphabets you will get the different lesson. Here at first I will complete quickly all the alphabets so that we can go to the performance report, and then I will tell you another important thing. Here after completing the lesson you will get this performance report. Here you will get the performance report. Here the performance report is excellent. Now as I told you in the last class that with the help of go to next lesson you can go to the next lesson, and if you want to do the practice of this lesson again you have to just click on this try again. So if you will do the practice again, that time you have to click on try again, and after clicking on try again you have to click on this option button go on. Now if you want to go to the next lesson you have to choose go to the next lesson and then you have to click on go on. When you will click on go on, that time you will get the new lesson. Here you can see the lesson 4 is here. Here you can see different alphabets are coming like V, M, B, N. So now what you have to do? You have to do the practice of all these lessons which are given here. See, you can see here 9 lessons are given here in the basics. So you have to do the practice of all these 9 lessons with the help of virtual keyboard, because in the virtual keyboard you will be able to see that which finger you have to use to type which alphabet. So just do the practice of all these lessons of rapid typing and just make yourself perfect.